Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable or disable auto brightness or adaptive brightness in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down a bit and then go to display. Now here you can see adaptive brightness option. Now you may ask, how does it work? Adaptive brightness is an Android feature that adjusts your display brightness level based on the nearby lighting and your preferences. Also, it uses the ambient light sensor to make these adjustments for you automatically. Now just tap here to enable it. And it's enabled. Now if you go back to your home screen and then swipe from top to bottom and then tap on three dots, you can also enable or disable adaptive brightness from here. And that is how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness or adaptive brightness in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.